Hello. We're gonna do the shortcut to section 2. This is Gill Lake. How you doing?
Good. You're gonna give me a ride in your plane, buddy. I see your post all the time.
All right.
Yeah. See all your posts that of your plane flying for lunch and all?
Oh yeah.
When am I gonna get a ride in it?
What's your lot in section?
2102. Remember you put it in?
102, 102.
Mike and Millie.
Oh yeah.
So yeah.
I'll take you if you want to go.
I'm always wanting to go.
Well, you're plenty light. You're about half my weight, so that won't be no problem.
No,
You're also on candid camera.
All right. I got a couple of those too. I know. You post a lot of that when you're in Key West.
I started to do some here now. I flew my drone and I'm gonna do a section 2 tour.
All right. Make sure you get our place.
All right, I will.
You
I'll
haven't
come
been
and
there
get
since we got the room addition in.
I don't think so. Who built it?
The guy that you told us, what's his name?
Ricketts?
Ricketts, yeah.
Prime Solutions, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Check it out,
cool.
man.
I will.
All right, Kelly.
Hey, Mike. Have a good one. You're on my video now. Okay, so we're heading to section 2. That was one of my customers, good customer actually. He bought 2 trailers from me. Howdy. Okay, so I came through the gate, went down the hill, flew my drone around here for a while, took a few pictures, tried not to get in trouble. Some of the stuff didn't work out so good, but I definitely stayed out of trouble. Oh, I just spotted a deer. Let's go say howdy. Okay. I'm ignoring him, but really, there he is. Okay. Now that we saw that deer, we're in section 2. This is probably the best part of it right here, I guess. I don't know. All of section 2 is good, but if you got a Bass Lake property, it's exceptional. Howdy. Okay. Howdy. Cool fire pit. Okay. So we're heading through section 2. I know a lot of people in this section. This is one of my favorite sections. If I see anybody else I know, I'll holler at them. Section 2 is a pretty good section. Here's where Mike and Millie are from. Mike wants to go fly in my airplane, so sounds good to me. Wow. Yeah, I did not notice this. It changed a lot. I would have never recognized it. Section 2, lot 102. Tried to see if Millie was around. Okay. Continuing section 2. Oh, can't miss a cul-de-sac. Man, they got some nice trailers in here. I put a few of these trailers in. Now they got rooms on them. Wow. Amazing. Okay, I guess I gotta finish my section 2 tour. Dang it. Now, there's a pile of stone, I gotta say. It's a pretty good pile. 3 piles, actually. Still in section 2. It's a nice, quiet section. I'll show you one that used to be my lot. Right here where this passport is. Okay. LaMoille Lake used to be back here. He might still be. Don't know. Some interesting lots over here. Pretty interesting. That was Mike again. Section 2 is a pretty big section. It's an older section too. Section 1 through 16 were in phase 1. We just put this one in this year. Nobody's home. Good looking trailer. I'll go ahead and do the cul-de-sac thing. There's a lot of cul-de-sacs in section 2. A lot of big old trees too. Nice section. It's actually one of my favorites. I think I said that more than once. There's the one we just put in. This year. Okay, here's another cul-de-sac. Anything interesting up here? You never know till you go see. Section 2. Bump. Ooh. lot of horses. Kind of cool. Ooh, okay, here comes another cul-de-sac. My mom and dad used to own this place right here, the Mallard. They bought it brand new eons ago. It's got a limb tree laying on it now. The air conditioner. We're still in section 2. I got one more little turn to make. Got a bunch of friends in this cul-de-sac. We'll go see if one of them's around. There's one. Howdy. That pretty well concludes our tour of section 2. We do have a comfort station. No, this is section 5 comfort station. Anyhow, you get the idea.